In the previous videos, we made sure that our website is looking mobile responsive. Let's now go about and make sure that our website is search engine friendly and change some general settings of our website to make sure everything works properly. The first thing I want to do is I want to change how our website appears, how each page of our website appears in the search engine. And in order to do that, I'm going to go to pages and then select the page and go to page settings. Now here we can manipulate how it should look like in a search engine like Google. So we can give it a title tag, which I'm going to call, for our homepage, it should just be surf and trade. And just making up some text. All right. So this is how our website will appear in Google once it's listed in Google and somebody is searching for surf and trade. That's the text they will see. The next thing is these open graph settings. Open graph is how they will appear in social media. For example, on Facebook, if somebody shares a link to your website in Facebook, and I want them to appear exactly the same as in search in Google. So all we do is we make sure that they have the same search engine tag and same search engine metadata. And we can leave these all as they are currently. So hit save and then repeat the same exercise for all the other pages. Now, this style guide is actually a page which should not appear in Google at all. It just contains some styling elements and it adds no value to the visitor. So it should not be indexed. And in order to prevent it from being indexed by Google or any other search engine, all I have to do is include some custom code. So let's scroll to the bottom of this page and go to this inside head tag. And I'm going to copy paste some code into here. And this code basically meta equals name equals robots, refers to the search engine, and we tell it to no index, not include it in its indexing. And now if we hit save, it should not be included in Google at all. All right, let's change the other page settings. I'm going to select contact and again, make sure that it fits our style. So I'm going to and then make sure that these are the same and then click save. And let's repeat the same exercise for about then. And obviously you can make adjust them and make them also appear differently on Facebook if you want to have a different text on Facebook or on Google. I'm just making up some stuff here right now since this is all a dummy website anyways. So all right, and then let's edit this All right, and again, this is set to similar settings. Okay, now we just have to change this. We can make this a bit more enticing. All right, and you want to make sure that the text sounds somewhat promising, and you can always drop some keywords in there. Now the last thing we need to edit is our blog post side, and now you will notice why we added this meta text field earlier on. So the title should always be the blog's title, and the description should be the meta text, which is one of the fields in our CMS item. And make sure that this is the same as the search engine, and then hit save. There we go. Now we made sure that we set all the search engine optimization settings. The next thing I want to do is I want to quickly edit this 404 page. So if for some reason the user hits a wrong link or a link is broken, then we can display a 404 page, and let's make sure that this is fitting our style.